There are 5 friends A to E. A combination of 4 friends out of these 5 used to go for swimming on a day. It is known that A went 5 times, which is the least, and E went 8 times, which is the maximum. No other friend went for swimmings 5 or 8 times. Now let's try to find out the number of times for which B, C, and D went for swimming. Let the number of times for which B went for swimming is X, and C, Y, and D, Z. According to the given condition, these quantities are more than 5 and less than 8. And one thing can also be observed, which is the total number of times for which all the friends put together would have gone for swimming has to be a multiple of 4, as on each day exactly 4 friends went for swimming. So the total number of times putting all the friends together has to be a multiple of 4. So now we can say that 5 plus 8 plus x plus y plus z has to be a multiple of 4, as each of these quantities in this sum, that is x plus y plus z, is more than 5 and less than 8. So the value of this quantity has to be more than 15 and less than 24. It means less than 24. It means 13 plus x plus y plus z has to be a multiple of 4, with this quantity being more than 15 and less than 24. Now the minimum value that this quantity can take for this whole quantity to be a multiple of 4 is 16 plus 3. So the minimum value that x plus y plus z can assume is 19, and in that case 13 plus x plus y plus z will be 32. And from here we can conclude one more thing, that the value of any two out of the three, that is x, y, and z, has to be 6, and the remaining quantity will be 7. So x, y, z are 6, 6, 7, not necessarily in the given order in one case. Now let's consider second case. Proceeding in the similar fashion, the next possible value of x plus y plus z can be 19 plus 4, it is 23. In that case 13 plus x plus y plus z will be 36, which is a multiple of 4. There is no issue. Now come to this quantity. 23 is the sum of x, y, and z, and we know that each of these quantities is more than 5 and less than 8. So from here it is not possible to get all the three values in the given range, that is between 5 and 8. So from here we can deduce that the value of x plus y plus z cannot be 23. Hence there is only one possible case where value of x plus y plus z is 13. In that case we can find value of x and x, y, and z. So now come to first problem, in which It is asking which of the following statement regarding B, C, and D is true. Each of them went for each of them went 6 times. No, it's not, because one person went for 7 times. Each of them went 7 times. It is also not true, because exactly one person out of these three went for 7 times. So statement B is also wrong. Now come to next statement. Two of them went 6 times and one went 7 times. This statement is true, as we have calculated. Exactly two of them went for 6 days and one for 7 days. So option C is true. Before moving to next question, check option 4 or option D also. Two of them went for 7 times and one went for 6 times. It is wrong. So option so answer of this question is option C. Move to next question. Find the number of days on which the friends went for swimming. As we know that the total number of times on which all the friends put together went for swimming is 32, and on each day exactly four friends went for swimming. So the number of days on which they must have gone for swimming has to be 32 upon 4, that is 8. Hence option C is the correct answer.